दिस इज एनटीए व्यास टेस्ट का 23rd पेपर का 7th क्वेश्चन. If cos x minus sin x equal to minus 5 or 4, where this is given, then cot x by 2 is equal to, ये इंटरवल given x का, और we have to find the value of x by 2. So we'll start from here. This is given interval pi by 2 less than x less than 3 pi by 4. We have to find cot x by 2. So let's divide by 2. Interval become pi by 4 is less than x by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. 8. So x lies in this interval. So cot x by 2, we have to find cot x by 2. Cot pi by 4 will be less than cot x by 2 less than cot 3 pi by 8. So cot 5 by 4 is 1. So 1 less than cot x by 2. Now what is value of cot 3 pi by 8? It is root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. So if we calculate this, root 2 is 1.414 something. So difference will be 0.414. Approximately 0.4. So cot x by 2 lies in interval. This is 0.4 or 1. Cot x will lie in this interval. So now let us solve this. Cos, the first method is shortcut. You can check the answer. Answer should lie in this interval. So answer B is incorrect because A does not lie in this interval. Similarly, C does not lie in this interval. This cannot be the answer. So we are left with option A and D. A option is 4 minus root 7, and root 7 is approximately, this is 2.464 approximately 9. Now this will count to be, if I subtract this is 1 point something. 3 minus 64, 1.36 over 9. Or this will become approximately 0.1 5 approximately. This also does not lie in this interval. So this cannot be the answer. So we are left with only the one in the last option, D. So D option is correct. This is shortcut method. Otherwise you can solve this equation. If I solve this, we will get cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 over 1 plus tan x square by 2. And what is sin x? Sin x is 2 tan x by 2 over 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is equal to minus 5 over 4. So we have to solve this, and this will be LCM. So we can take to right hand side. We have to multiply this, open this. This will be 1 minus tan square x by 2 minus 2x by 2, 4 here by cross multiplication, minus 5 into this LCM, so 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is equal to, you can open this, this is minus 4 minus 4 tan square x by 2. This is 8 tan x by 2 equal to minus 5 minus tan square x by 2, 5. So you can take this to left hand side. It will become tan square x by 2, 4 minus 4 plus 5. This is minus 8 tan x by 2 as it is, and 5 down to the left side become 9 equal to 0. We have to find cot of x by 2. Let us change it into cot x by 2. This is so 9 1 by cot square x by 2 minus 8 over cot x by 2 plus 9 equal to 0, and this will become equation as 9 cot square x by 2. So this is minus 8 cot x by 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Now if I solve this, quadratic equation, I will get cot x by 2 equal to, this is b square minus 4ac, this is 64 plus minus square root of, minus b 8 b square 64 minus 4 into 8 to c, this is 36 or 2 into 8 18. So this is equal to 8 plus minus square root of 28. I think this 28 over 18. This will be equal to 8 plus minus 2 root 7 over 18. 2 से कट जाएगा, we will get plus 4 plus minus root 7 over 9. Now since x by 2 cot x by 2 lies in this interval, so we have to reject this negative value. So this option will come true, D option. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe the channel GN Coaching Center and press the bell icon to get the notifications for the upcoming videos.